On 21st September 2022, members of the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council, under the leadership of its Chief Executive Member, Tito Starwell Khan, and traditional heads of the Khadc Hills, had met to discuss on the recent notification issued by the government on the implementation of the Code of Criminal Procedure and Code of Civil Procedure throughout the state of Meghalaya. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, the chief executive member of the KHADC, Tito Starwell Khan, said that despite having earlier met Chief Minister Conrad Sangma to discuss on the matter, the KHADC is still indecisive about the notification to implement the CRPC and CPC in all areas of the state. At the same time, Khan informed that the traditional heads within the Khadc Hills are not at all satisfied with this recent notification, but have requested for another wherein adjustments and alterations to the rules and policies can be made so as not to intrude into the jurisdiction of the district council.
Hoi ka sarkar ko ang baki district council court kin trikam kum baju trai kasi RPC ru kanom trikam kasi PC ru kanom trikam henry ka ka bangi arta tir menta ka long ba haba trial lagi kes haba trial lagi kes menta lada UPI mo la register ka kes hapo u police u phai ka kes court na court lada ka de ka criminal na ka de ka civil lada habala de convert ya ka power jong ka section CRPC CPC kamut kiyach kaman Klam ong hang tu notification ba baik kani ka kes apa yang tribal ba tribal trial ka district council court kami ti kom kata hey tele sila sayo kim refer ki kes tele kim refer ka kes kamu itu ki kes ki poi sadu high court tendal apoi high court pa ka penbun kam kai ki pai ba nama gi wan biang padeha po district council court kata ka dei ka ba ngingim kwa te ban pensenjare pai ba Kempajang ke balong syai. Dia kamu lah syai kikis. Di babun lada kari ferbak na high court ka phak biang se district council court menu ba jenjar enta. Jenjar pai ba. Ta ka daw ngi ong ba ka de bandon ka ba syai de. Ka segregation ka ba syai hang ni ba ki queers ki bade padang tribal criminal na ki civil court civil case ki ban poi ba syai district council court. Kata di ka jingkwa jong ni. Nreya kata ka notification ka ba empower kaba aibor ya ki district session court jong ka sarkar ngim khang ni kata mo ngim don bori do ban khang ni kata ngim persya hiru ya kata ka notification andai ka bangi persya mangi kalong ba ka notification kam syai kadang ka jing tiang kata na kaliang kini ki clear nong sansiaro ki suthu ya kata.
As a response to the demands of the KHADC and tribal heads of the state, Meghalaya Home Minister Lakmen Rimboy reiterated the fact that it is only the Chief Minister of the state who can decide on the joint demands of the KHADC and tribal heads with regards to the recent government notification on the implementation of the CRPC and CPC all over Meghalaya, which includes areas under the council's jurisdiction.
See, I am not the legal person who know the nitty-gritty of each and every act. But having said that, from what I have gathered information during this series of meetings, that the paragraph of the Constitution schedule is exclusively for the district council to try the case and so on and so forth. And paragraph 5 of the Constitution is by conferment by the governor. The power is conferred by the governor. And for all these things, this year's the function of the judiciary is being done by the assistant to DC Judiciary. So now, since you know the separation of executive and judiciary, so there is a need to give power to the district and session judge. That's why this issue come into the picture. So having said that, as I said, the government in series of meetings we have had, and lastly they have taken this decision, and after that, if KHADC is not happy, so let's see what the Honorable Chief Minister, because since I have not met him, so I cannot speak what is the view of the government in totality. But having said that, you have seen also CRPC for maintaining of law and order is already extended for by the government to the Deputy Commissioner. Whenever there is any law and order issue, CRPC 144 has been involved, so on and so forth. So as I said, I'm not a legal luminary or legal person, so that I cannot explain the integrity of it. I cannot say that what they said is right or what they say is wrong. But having when somebody has protest, it is the duty of the government to listen and discuss. And in fact, multiple times we have discussed. So what another issue which come out, I don't know. So let's see.